It's 6:40 in the evening. You're standing inside a convenience store with a $5 bill already in your hand. On the counter, an ice cold energy drink, a lottery scratch ticket, just $5. It doesn't feel like a decision. It feels too small to matter. So you buy it, walk outside, scratch the ticket, nothing. You already knew it would be nothing. Tomorrow, you probably won't even remember spending that $5. But here's the strange part. That same $5 has the power to completely change your future. Imagine making one different decision. Instead of buying the drink, instead of buying the scratch ticket, you open an investment app and invest just $5. That's it. No stock picking, no complicated strategy, just one small investment into a simple index fund. When you check your account, the balance says $5. Honestly, it looks ridiculous. You wonder if it's even worth doing, but the next day, you do it again. $5, then again, and again. Soon, it becomes automatic. You stop thinking about it because the money leaves your account before you even have a chance to spend it. 1 week becomes 1 month becomes 1 year. Now your account is worth almost $1,900. Most of that money came from you, but something interesting happened. While you were sleeping, the market quietly added a little more. Not much, just enough to prove one important point. Your money has finally started working instead of disappearing. Most people quit right here because the results still look small, but they don't realize they're standing at the beginning of something much bigger. 5 years later, your small daily habit has quietly turned into more than $10,000. Not because you became rich, not because you found the perfect stock, but because you stayed consistent. Around the same time, a friend sends you a message. A new investment is exploding. Up 400% this week. He tells you you're missing the opportunity of a lifetime. For a moment, it sounds tempting, but you've seen this feeling before. It's the same excitement people feel buying lottery tickets, the promise of getting rich overnight. So, you ignore the hype and keep investing your $5. Then the market crashes. The news says everything is falling. People panic. Some sell everything. Some promise they'll never invest again. But you do something surprisingly simple: nothing. Your automatic investment keeps running. Every week, $5 more. You're buying while everyone else is running away. Months later, the market recovers, and suddenly, your portfolio grows faster than ever before. 20 years pass. That tiny habit has grown into tens of thousands of dollars. 30 years pass. Now your investments earn more in a year than you personally contribute. Time is finally doing the heavy lifting. Then one day, you look back. You realize something incredible. It was never about $5. It was about becoming the kind of person who chooses the future over the moment. The coffee, the energy drink, the lottery ticket. None of those purchases would have changed your life. But investing that same $5 did, because wealth isn't built in one big decision. It's built through thousands of tiny decisions, repeated over and over again. So the next time you have $5 in your hand, ask yourself one simple question: will I spend it, or will I let my future self keep it? That single choice, repeated every day, could completely change your life. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more simple finance stories that can help you build long-term wealth.